Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, it's probably because you're dealing with frustrating app crashes on your Windows computer. Whether it's a game, a productivity tool, or any other application, crashes can really disrupt your workflow. In today's video, we're going to walk you through 8 comprehensive methods to fix app crashes in Windows. Let's get started. Before we dive into the fixes, let's quickly talk about some common causes of app crashes. These can include issues like corrupted files, outdated drivers, insufficient system resources, software conflicts, and more. Understanding these causes can help us target the right solutions. Method 1. Restart your computer. Our first method is the simplest: restarting your computer. It might sound basic, but many issues can be resolved with a simple restart. This clears out temporary files and resets your system. Click on the Start menu, then select Power, and choose Restart. After your computer restarts, try running the app again to see if the issue is resolved. Method 2. Update your software and drivers. Next up is making sure all your software and drivers are up to date. Outdated software can often cause compatibility issues leading to crashes. Start by updating Windows itself. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Next, update your drivers. Open the Device Manager, right-click on the devices that might be related to the app that's crashing, and select Update Driver. This is especially important for graphics and sound drivers, which are often involved in app performance. Don't forget to check for updates within the app itself, or from its official website. Keeping everything updated ensures better stability and performance. Method 3. Check for software conflicts. Sometimes, other software running on your computer can conflict with the app that's crashing. To identify and resolve these conflicts, you can use the Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the Task Manager. Look for any processes that are using a lot of resources. If you notice anything unusual or unnecessary, right-click on it and select End Task. For a more thorough approach, you can perform a clean boot. This starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs. To do this, type msconfig in the Start menu search bar, open the System Configuration, and under the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services, and then click Disable All. Next, go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Disable all startup items, then restart your computer. Try running the app again to see if the crash persists. Method 4. Repair or reinstall the app. If the app itself is corrupted, repairing or reinstalling it might fix the issue. Windows has built-in tools to help with this. Go to Settings, then Apps. Find the app that's crashing in the list, click on it, and select Advanced Options. Here, you might see options to repair or reset the app. Try repairing it first. If repairing doesn't work, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the app. Click Uninstall, then download and install the latest version of the app from its official website. Method 5. Check system files and perform a clean installation. Our fifth method involves checking for corrupted system files and, if necessary, performing a clean installation of Windows. First, let's check your system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc scanno. This will scan and repair corrupted system files. If this doesn't resolve the issue, use the dism tool. In the command prompt, type dism online, cleanup image, restore health. If all else fails, a clean installation of Windows might be necessary. This should be your last resort, as it will remove all your files and apps. Back up your important data first, then create a Windows installation media using the Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. Method 6. Increase virtual memory. Sometimes, app crashes can be caused by insufficient virtual memory. Increasing your virtual memory can help resolve this issue. Go to Settings, then System, and click on About. Under Related Settings, click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Settings under Performance. Again, go to the Advanced tab and click on Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Select your system drive and set a custom size. Make sure to set the initial size and maximum size according to your system's specifications, then click Set and OK. Restart your computer and see if this resolves the app crashes. Method 7. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Windows has built-in troubleshooters that can help identify and fix issues with apps and the system itself. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click on Troubleshoot. Here, you'll see various troubleshooters for different issues. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter if the app is from the Microsoft Store. If it's a different type of app, you can also try the Program Compatibility Troubleshooter. Method 8. Check for malware. Malware can often cause apps to crash by interfering with system processes. Running a thorough malware scan can help identify and remove any malicious software. Open Windows Security by typing Windows Security in the Start menu search bar. Go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on Quick Scan. Additionally, you can use third-party antivirus programs like Malwarebytes for an extra layer of protection. Download Malwarebytes, run a full scan, and remove any detected threats. And there you have it. 8 comprehensive methods to fix app crashes in Windows. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or other methods that work for you, share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.